Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious caramel pudding, also known as cream caramel or flan. This classic dessert is surprisingly easy to prepare with just a few basic ingredients. We'll walk through each step, from creating the rich caramel to baking the silky smooth custard. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this elegant and delightful treat. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. First, let's make the beautiful caramel base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine about half a cup of granulated sugar with a few tablespoons of water. Heat this over medium heat, gently swirling the pan, but avoid stirring with a spoon. Watch closely as the sugar melts and transforms into a rich, amber color. Once it reaches that perfect golden hue, immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into your baking dish, tilting to coat the bottom evenly. Be quick as it sets fast. Next, we'll prepare the creamy pudding mixture. In a bowl, whisk together 5 large eggs until well combined. Then, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, followed by 1½ cans of water, using the condensed milk can for measurement. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. For an extra smooth pudding, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any egg chalazi or lumps. This ensures a perfectly silky custard. Now it's time to bake our delicious pudding. Place your baking dish into a larger pan, creating a water bath by filling the outer pan with hot water halfway up the sides of the pudding dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool, then chill it in the refrigerator for several hours before inverting onto a serving plate. Enjoy this delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.